Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to go over how you can reorganize the list of locations that you're traveling to. So if you're going to more than one location in your current navigation, you can reorganize the order in which you're going to be heading to them by opening up your navigation menu, clicking on these three little dots right here to open up this menu. If you have the map smaller, again, we're just going to find the navigation area and click on the three dots to open up this menu. And then from here, to reorganize the list of places that you're going in your trip, you just click on where it says Edit Trip. That's going to open up this menu where it shows you all of the places that you're currently navigating to. And from here, you can just drag and drop them to where you want them to be located in the list and just hold your finger on them and just move them up or down in the list and it will switch it around however you see fit. So that's pretty simple. Also, if you'd like to remove any of these additional places that you're going to, you can just click the little X here on the side and it will remove that navigation location. And then once you're done setting it up how you want it to be, you can click Done. And you should be good to go from there. So it's pretty simple. Again, just opening up the menu option here for navigation, and then you just edit your trip, drag and drop the locations where you'd want them to be. And of course, the first place that you're going to be stopping is going to be at the top of the list, and the last place that you're stopping is going to be at the bottom of the list. And you can also add additional locations to stop at right here by clicking the Add button. So I hope this was helpful. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.